All right, guys, Ask a Felon back here with another one for you. Hopefully, everybody's having a good Saturday morning. I got some rapid fire questions here I'm going to answer. These will be on my shorts. I'll do a long video later this evening. Would I rather do 1 year in prison or 10 years probation? I'd take the 10 years probation in a heartbeat. For the reason that 1 year in prison seems like 3 years to me. I don't know. I mean, I guess it all depends on how you do your time, but for me, I would take the 10 years of probation, no problem, because I feel like I could do the 10 years without any hiccups, especially now that I'm clean and sober. Would you rather have no commissary or no visits? I'd have to have my commissary. Rude as it may sound, as selfish as it may sound, I'd have to have my commissary. I guess it depends on how long I'm doing. If I'm doing over a year, I got to have my commissary because a visit lasts a half hour, maybe an hour. So you're in prison all day, every day. People that come to visit you, they don't realize how much of a different world it is when you're in prison. Like time goes slower. It's just a whole different world. Nobody can ever understand and grasp how much of a different world it is in prison unless you've been there. Like when I used to be on the run, people are like, "You're already in jail. You're already living like you're in jail." No, I don't care how bad life is out here when you're free. It's nothing like jail or prison. Would you rather have a strict cellmate or a messy one? I'd rather have a strict cellmate. I mean, obviously, you don't want to live all dirty and nasty in there. You want to live the best you can while you're in there. Would you rather lose TV or recreation? I'd rather lose recreation. Shit, give me my TV. I'll stay in my cell anyway. I'd rather be in there anyway. I don't need rec time. Would you rather work in prison or stay in your cell? I'd rather work. Well, I had the laundry job in there, and it kept me busy at nighttime. So, I'd rather work than stay in my cell in prison. I guess that would all depend on if you're doing drugs. If you're doing drugs and getting high, then you probably want to stay in your cell. With that being said, though, that's all I got for this, guys. Hope you're having a good Saturday. Hit that like, comment, subscribe. Throw some questions in the comments for me. Till next one. See you.